Hi everyone, let's have another common mistake highlight in today's video. The word of today is suspect. Suspect means a belief, feeling, or thinking that someone has done something wrong, guilty, or illegal without enough proof for it. So this is suspect. The noun for the same word is suspicion. Is that thinking, believing, or feeling? Suspicion. And the adjective is suspicious. Suspicious. And what about suspect? Suspect is a noun, but it's not the thinking or feeling, it's the person. It's someone that we believe that has done something wrong, dishonest, or immoral. So let's pay attention to the differences in the stress pattern of both words. Suspect, suspect. Suspect is a verb. Suspect is a noun, and it's a person. The police suspects him because he's the usual suspect. Now, let's take a look at 3 sentences, including the word suspect or the family members. The first one, the police suspects him for the robbery. Okay, is it right or wrong? Someone cut the cheese. P.U. I'm suspicious of Tim. He's the usual suspect. Now, cut the cheese is a slang expression. You can either look it up in a dictionary or you can find a meaning online. And the last one, they suspect me to have let the cat out of the bag. To let the cat out of the bag means to fail to keep a secret, to reveal it. For example, if you are planning for a surprise party for someone, if you talk about it before that date, you let the cat out of the bag. Alright, before I answer the question of which one is true or false, let's look at the rule first. Suspect of and not for. The common mistake is using it with for. Don't say, I suspect Kate for stealing the pen. Say, I suspect Kate of stealing the pen. Note, also suspicious of. The way we use adjective with it should be followed by of again and not for. Dogs are suspicious of strangers. Now let's look at the 3 sentences that we reviewed together. The first one can be corrected by replacing for with of. The police suspects him of the robbery. The next one is correct. And the last one could be corrected as they suspect me of letting the cat out of the bag. And that was the quick lesson of today, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video and have fun.